Yo, what is up guys? It is Jonathan and Stefy Golden. The Goldens are in the house and we are here with another tutorial, another important thing that you need to know how to do if you want to save yourself some money and get a mask and you don't have to do any sewing, no nothing.
These are, sorry the quarantine face, but these masks are actually going around on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere, so I'm sure you can find a video, but we just thought that if you haven't seen it,
to all our fans out there, you know,
yeah,
that you're watching,
you can go ahead and do this. So all you're gonna need,
Stefy knows how to do it. I do not know how to do this. She made me one.
So
bandana, check.
Yeah.
You need a bandana.
So you're just gonna need a bandana or any type of cloth. You can do like a scarf, whatever you want. So you're gonna fold it like this.
In half, okay.
Then you're gonna go like this.
Quarter.
Well, you wanna do this side first, actually. What's that? Okay, you can cut. All right, so then you're gonna fold it.
Okay. And
then you're gonna fold this way.
Got it.
Then you're gonna put a hair tie.
What kind of hair tie? Does it matter? What brand?
Probably,
Gucci or?
It doesn't matter. It just it depends on like your ears too. These can be hurt. They can hurt. So you want it to be actually like pretty stretchy.
So I used one from your girlfriend or wife?
Yeah, or you can just stretch it out. It doesn't matter. And then you fold them like this. Okay. You're gonna tuck in one side into here.
Aha. Let me get a little closer.
So you're gonna tuck it in. And make sure you tuck it in like kind of far so that way it doesn't come out. And then you pull the sides.
Good. Put it behind your ears and boom!
And there you have it.
Quarantine ready. If you're going out to the store, I guess this is mandatory now, or required, or advised. You need to.
It's like better for you, and you feel safer too. Like,
and it's reusable, so once you use it, you can just wash it.
When you take it off, you literally just go like this. You don't even need to touch it, and then you just throw it in the wash. You dry it, and you can reuse.
That is why, one reason why I married Stefy is she's so handy. But yeah, right now we're stuck in the house. We actually didn't leave at all today. No store, nothing. I didn't leave at all today. Stayed in. And right now we are cooking dinner. We are having
veggie burgers.
Veggie burgers. We got crispy fries here, crisp cut fries.
They actually come seasoned.
They're seasoned. They're ready to go. Pop them in the oven. We got Udi's gluten-free bread.
I'm gonna toast that.
And then we got some kale veggie burgers, because we're kind of vegetarian, pescatarian, hybrid diet. Let's see what the pets are doing here. Aiden, you have a good day today? Aiden is actually famous on TikTok. If you guys haven't followed us on TikTok or me, search Jonathan Golden or Stefy Golden. We're doing some basic TikToks every day. Aiden has the most views. He's got 600,000 views on his throw up video, so you can check that one out. It's pretty funny. Mishka's got about almost 1,000. How you doing over here, honey? She's doing. How you doing? You doing good? All right, and we got Sophia over here. How you doing, Sophia? Wow, she's got some like Hollywood hairstyle Stefy did at school today at Blvd. She had a Zoom class today. Wow, Sophia, that's looking very good. What do you think of Stefy's services?
That's when you know you're getting crazy in quarantine.
She said she loved it, babe. She said she loved it.
Yay.
She's gonna Venmo you the money tonight.
That's perfect. Going crazy.
All right, guys, we're losing it. We're losing it.
You are.
Anyway,
I'm a homebody, so I'm actually not doing too bad.
I used to call myself a homeboy because I would never leave the house. Play video games, stay up all night.
But now you're like going bananas.
Now I'm calling everybody, seeing who wants to hang out, come over. But anyways, guys, we're
no one can come over.
Well, never a dull moment. We thought our dog was like attacking something, but she was actually playing in her bed and almost choking on a fuzz. But anyways, So we're gonna end the vlog here, but tomorrow we have our morning routine going up, our quarantine morning routine. It's gonna be interesting. Our schedule is completely flipped backwards, upside down, because we don't even know what day of the week it is anymore. So
it's gonna be a weird morning routine because, like, I have to get up for work, and I have to start work at 6:30 in the morning. So like,
I'll wake up with you.
I don't have really a routine anymore. Like, I literally get up, make my coffee, and go to the computer.
I'm the same way. I'm on phone calls, emails, all that. Oh, dinner's ready. All right, we're signing off. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed our custom homemade mask, and if you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to the Golden Family Vlogs, Stefy and Jonathan. We'll be back tomorrow with another episode, so stay tuned and see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.